Welcome to the EVIglance STUDIO tutorial on the screening process. In this video, we will explore the importance of screening in systematic reviews and evidence maps. Moreover, we will have a look at the screening training in EVIglance STUDIO. Let's get started. Screening is the second step of the 5 steps of a systematic review. Screening plays a crucial role in systematic reviews and evidence synthesis. It ensures that only relevant studies are included. A well-structured screening process minimizes bias and enhances the credibility of evidence-based findings. Screening in EVIglance STUDIO is designed to efficiently assess and filter studies. We use predefined eligibility criteria for every systematic review according to the population, intervention, and comparison scheme, and only include certain study types, for example, randomized controlled trials. Standardized screening ensures consistency and helps researchers systematically review large volumes of literature without missing critical studies. Navigating the EVIglance STUDIO interface is straightforward. The screening link on the left side provides access to the overview of studies to be screened. Click on Screen to start with the process. Here you see the available information important from the medical databases. Now you can assess if the article is eligible, and if it is eligible, you can define the study type. If it is not eligible, please exclude the article and give a reason for your decision. To train the screening process, there are 3 levels to master. In level 1, you should identify the correct study design and decide whether the shown study is a randomized controlled trial, RCT, or a systematic review, SR. In level 2, you should apply the given eligibility criteria and decide if the study is eligible for inclusion. If you decide to exclude the study, please give the reason why. Level 3 is the final screening stage. Here, you should decide whether or not the study matches the eligibility criteria, and if so, which study type it is. Upon completing level 3, with a score of 80 and higher, you will be rewarded a certificate. This acknowledges your expertise in screening. Thank you for following this tutorial on screening in EVIglance STUDIO. We hope you now have a clear understanding of the process and its importance in synoptic research. Happy screening!